After going through lot many self-help book as well as autobiographies, I realized that highly successful people used to follow certain set of morning habits. In this video, we're going to see 10 common morning habits which are followed by the highly successful people. And if you are adopting these habits in your life, definitely you can see a noticeable change within a countable days. Successful people not only adopt the habits, they prioritize the habits. The first priority they give for the waking up early in the morning. Waking up early in the morning will not only give you enough time for the self mastery, it will make you productive and it will going to give the time for planning for that particular day. The successful people never get out of their bed without visualizing their dreams. You have to visualize the dreams as if you have already achieved them. I'm not telling the visualization is going to replace the hard work as well as practice, but this is going to give you enough energy and power to follow your dreams as well as it is going to build the courage and fills the positivity. The third important habit of a highly successful people is make their bed. So whenever you're going to get out of the bed, we have to clean the bed, fold the blankets and keep the pillows at the position. So it will going to build the discipline, improve the mood as well as it will going to lower the stress. The high energy level in the early morning can be drained by watching the news, going through the mails and going through the messages. So the fourth important habit which is followed by the successful people is unplugging from the technology. That will give you enough time for the self mastery. You can mastery over the particular domain or else you can master over the particular skill set. Second thing, it can give you enough time to focus on something which is very important on that particular day. The fifth habit, which is followed by the highly successful people, is doing exercise in the early morning. Doing exercise will going to lowers your blood pressure and it will going to give the freshness to your body and it will going to keep you healthy. Reading not just lowers your stress level, it also will going to boost your brain's energy. I'm not telling about reading the newspaper or else magazines. I'm telling about reading certain self-help books as well as certain motivational books, which will going to give the energy to the mind. Second thing, you can start your day inspired and motivated. You will gain the valuable insights and ideas and you will accelerate your personal growth. You might be having certain emotional as well as materialistic dreams. So if you are giving a date for each dream, then you are going to convert them into a goals. Scientific study states that the person who is going to write their goals and review them every day, he is having the highest success rate of achieving them. Even you can calculate how much time you require to achieve your goals. The next habit of the highly successful people is chanting up of the motivational mantra. So it is nothing but a strong affirmation. See, whatever the sentence which gives the energy to each and every cell of your body. So that one you have to chant each and every day. Sentences like I am rich, I am prosperous, I am highly successful in my endeavors, and I am reaching whatever I want in my life. You can get n number of affirmations from the internet as well as from the apps. You just choose your motivational mantras and chant them every day. The next habit of the highly successful people is to make a to-do list. Making the to-do list will release your stress. First thing, you need not to remember everything of that particular day. Second thing, it will going to prioritize the things once you're going to make the to-do list. Third thing, once you're going to finish all the activities one by one, it will going to makes you feel productive and it will provide you enough energy to do the next task. After the preparation of the to-do list, better choose the biggest task from that particular to-do list and finish it first. Finishing up of the biggest task will going to release you and will going to give the motivation to do the next tasks. Last but not the least habit of a highly successful people is eating a protein rich breakfast. Eating up of a protein rich breakfast will going to improve our energy level, it will going to stabilize the blood sugar level and it will going to improve the metabolism. Success lies in practicing. You just give the time from 5 to 8 a.m. for these particular habits, then you can see a very lot much change in your entire life.